Ready to ditch the tiny phone screen and unlock the ultimate Temu shopping experience on your PC or laptop? First, you'll need an Android emulator. Think of it as a virtual Android device living inside your computer. Popular choices include Bluestacks, Noxplayer, and Memo. I'll be using Bluestacks for this tutorial, but the process is similar for others. Go ahead and download your preferred emulator from their official website. Make sure you download the latest version for optimal performance. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Bluestacks. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer specs, so be patient. Be sure to grant any necessary permissions the installer asks for. After installation, launch Bluestacks. You'll be greeted with the Android home screen. Now, look for the Google Play Store icon and click on it. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, search for Temu in the Play Store search bar. You should see the Temu app appear in the search results. Click on the install button next to the Temu app. The app will now download and install within the Bluestacks environment. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Temu app icon on the Bluestacks home screen. Click on it to launch the app. And there you have it. You can now browse Temu, add items to your cart, and complete purchases, all from the comfort of your PC. Enjoy shopping on the big screen. Now you can find all the best deals Temu has to offer right from your personal computer. Happy shopping!